Hello everyone. I have used the Python to design a website to test the our cloud receive printer and our cloud label printer. Let's ask to test it. And this is our program for website. Let me try to run it. Then open the website. This function is receive printer test, label printer test, and also we have the check the printer status and also remote control the printer. This is our receive printer. I have already connected on MQTT server and also get the topicals. Okay, let me try to test. First, we need to connect the MQTT server. Open the printer status. Okay, subscript the POS topical. Now let me test type the right topical. This topical is our receive printer. And try. This is our samples for ESC post comments. You also can check here has description about the code. We'll try to publish. Okay, finish. Okay, then after printer, we check the printer status. You can see here can get a message with we received the receive printer successful, and also you will get the message from the printer to check the printer status, and also you can check the data formatter from here. Okay, this is a tester function, and also you can test with the printer with the photo and the PDF. You can let me check any, open the photo and choose the continue paper, try to print, update and print. You can see they are printing out, and let me check the printer, get a new message, receive, and also print successful. Okay, this is a tester printing functions. Let me try to test the remote control functions connector and try to remote printer restart. This is a type the topical. Need waiting sometimes. It's ready. The printer is restart. Okay, this is and we also can update the firmware to a printer by remotely, so that will be more easy to control the printer by remotely. You don't go to the restaurant, you only need to stay at the office and control the printer.